Hello everyone. Good morning. This is Mr. Chris. I have here a parcel vacuum from Lazada or Shopee. So I would like to unbox this one and share it with you. So I need to change my clothes. I just came from my office outside. So it's very tight for me because I just borrowed this one. So I'm going to unbox this one. This is a vacuum and it's very helpful to you daily needs when you clean your lawn, your garden.
Itong vacuum dili as garden sa sulod as balay.
This is not for the garden, it is in the house inside according to the one who handle the camera. This is for inside the house. This is to plastic. You have seen a to plastic. Okay, I got it. I just join some accessories is completed. Can you focus that one? This is the nozzle. There are plenty of nozzle adapter to use this vacuum. Now we have here what they call warranty card. So another nozzle here. Ta-da! It's very beautiful. Let's see the picture. That is very nice. This is the brochure of the vacuum. And one, so put that inside. The name is Carto Garancy. Here's now the vacuum with a long cord. See that? So this is electric, not a battery powered. You have to use adapter for the plug because it is in the European style, and I cannot read the small description it here. Maybe this is 220 volts. 220 volts. Para pagpurog yan. Dito 20 volts.
20 na kay Pilipinas.
This is it. So you can use by using a small adapter. If you use long, you need to put this one, that, then you connect this one here. No.
Balik.
That one. So this is already a vacuum, then you can do that on floor like that. So we will take off this one. So this detachable to clean that one, you just remove this one, then take off the filter. Then since it is very clean, you put that, you lock. Then there's some adapter if you want near. There's can you focus the camera? Very nice, not very far. So here's a brush, so you can take off this one like that. So the brush, and you see that, then you focus on the camera, then you just press it here, then that one. So there are plenty of accessories included in here. So if you would like to avail this product, just kindly search in the internet for more detail about this vacuum. So even though it's not yet tested, it is very useful. Now I would like to, how many minutes na ganyan ang video niya? 6. I try something. I will looking adapter for the small one. This one siguro. Not that one. Okay. That one. Then I will demo how the vacuum is powerful. So we have a coins in here.
Hello, ang coin. Mahulong. Ikat na ni.
This is just a demo. So I try to plug it here.
Ikat na ni Papi.
So this is the vacuum. So we will try to make it work by having an adapter. So we just will go into the market and buy the adapter for. So we have here a small paper. So a tissue paper to will now plug here and press it. So have you seen that? How about this car? So have you seen that? So, this is a metal car. That's what happened. So it's very powerful and it's very cheap. So here's the accessories that is included here. This one, the big one for the floor. So just attach it here. Then you just already can work it or can use it. Then another accessories is here. Same. This is a brush. Then for the small accessories, that is for the big accessories. So for the extender of this vacuum, like example, you need to use this one. You just take off this one here, then attach this one here, then attach it here, like that. So that's it. So for the other accessories, this is for the small one. This one here. So this actually detachable, like that. Focus na. Then you put it there. You just wonder how it works. So this is for this area here, example, and the upper area, like that. You can clean the balance here. So like that. So the other accessories that is attached for the small, so this adapter here, you can use this one, small nozzles here, then another siding, another tip, then we have a brush here, brush vacuum, then we have also another brush vacuum here, and also a nozzle vacuum. You can use this in your car for the engine bay. You can clean it. And also, it's very important to me. I use this one for my remote control RC. So that's it. If you are interested with this vacuum, here's the brochure. Here's the vacuum. So it is powerful, although it's not, but still a powerful vacuum. So just sharing, and hope you like my video. Once again, thank you very much for watching. God bless you all. Have a nice day. Good morning. Bye-bye.